Hi, my name is Paul. I'm co-founder of Let's Meal Prep along with my wife, Amy. If you hate to cook, or if you love to cook, or if you're too busy to cook, or maybe you're just in a food rut, you're just in a meal rut, guys, this is why we created this app. It's called Let's Meal Prep. We want to help empower everyone to cook simple and healthy recipes in the kitchen every week so that you have something amazing to eat every week. Our recipes are step-by-step for a stress-free experience, or our shopping lists are well organized for an anxiety-free experience at the store, and everything has nutrition facts so that you can track those goals that you're striving for. Right here on the home page, this is our sign-up page. You can sign up for free for 7 days and try over 200 plus recipes that we have in there for you. Just to walk you through it, I'm going to click on Let's Meal Prep here at the bottom. Every week we release 3 to 4 recipes for you, and it just builds up. So this is our current week, July 21st. And then when we replace that, we put it in the database, or we move it down to the bottom where there's just loads of weeks that I've got to put into the database there. Right off the bat, you'll see we've got these recipes for this week. We got a database. We do have a meal prep service here locally that we can make the meals for you. Right here is a good place to start, where there's a welcome video from us and also a quick tutorial on how to use the app. There are 12 free recipes if you don't sign up, along with a meal prep guide to help you walk through learning how to meal prep. Of course, you don't have to. It's great just to learn how to cook. We do have a kitchen store where you get a lot of good fun gadgets with links to the Amazon store. If we go back up to the top and we click into a typical week, you will see that it's going to be laid out the same for every recipe. On the side, we've got a hello from the kitchen. We do record a 5-minute video walking you through the recipes that we're cooking for that week. We are very much on this journey with you. We've got goals that we're striving for as well, and we want to be involved in your life. And we have the community on Facebook as well, so we want that communal support. Below is the recipes. A lot of them are gluten-free. Some are vegetarian. We focus on those and we label them as such. And then we have a little description of each meal for that week. Over on the side is a shopping list. Click on the shopping list here and it'll pull up a PDF. And on the PDF, you'll see the title page here, and then scroll down, you'll see each recipe laid out in a row. So if you want to cook for just one recipe, shop in that row. There's categories along the top. If you want to cook for all the recipes, or maybe 2 or 3, then you can shop by column and get all the meats for those two or 3 recipes, get all the veggies, get all the spices, and so forth. So we try to keep it as stress-free as possible. And then the third page, it shows you the nutrition facts. All right, we're coming back here, and then we've got this week, we've got 4 recipes. Let's click through to the garlic Parmesan chicken here. So garlic Parmesan chicken, you can see there's a picture of all the ingredients that you need, as well as the description below, and then a list so that you can gather all your ingredients, get them all on the counter, and let's get ready to cook. From here, you got your nutrition facts, and we're going to walk you through step by step with some beautiful pictures here of what to do at each step. Hey, preheat the oven first. That's important. All right, spray a glass dish there, season your chicken. And step 2, let's make the little mixture to go on top. It gives you all the ingredients in the sizes and the measurements you need, so you don't have to go back to the ingredient list. Keep cooking. This is what we call our swipe and cook feature. Keep going down until you eventually get your veggies roasted, and then you can put your plate together if you are prepping for the week, or put your plate together and serve your family. Every recipe makes about 4 servings. Some make a little bit more, some make a little bit less, but they all average about 4 servings. And then here, if you like this recipe, you can click the star at the top. It will add it to your favorites. There's a favorites tab down here where you can see all your favorites, and you can click to that recipe to go right back to it. And that is the gist of all of our recipe app. Right here in the database, when we do move them all over, they are categorized from breakfast, beef, chicken, ground bison, which we love, ground turkey, all the way through to the soups and stews and vegetarian dishes down below. Guys, we hope that you love this app. If you've got any questions, always reach out to us. Either we do have a chat feature in the app as well that you can reach out to us through the chat. You can join our private Facebook group. We do like to keep it private so that all our members and anybody that's interested is invited in there to help each other out. My name is Paul. I'm always here for you, as well as my wife, Amy. You guys have an amazing weekend. And as we say, cook something amazing. All right, take care.